So the course name is Transform and Boundary Value Problems. Here we will basically discuss the partial differential equations and the method to solve them and its application in real life. Differential equation have wide application in various engineering and science discipline. In general, modeling of vibration of a physical quantity such as temperature, pressure, displacement, velocity, stress, strain, current, voltage or concentration of a pollutant with the change of time or location or both would result in differential equation. Similarly, in studying the variation of some physical quantity on other physical quantities would also lead to differential equation. Now you may ask me, what is the application of differential equation in computer science engineering? So we have many application in computer science engineering also, but just for example I may say that in computer graphics, animation, computer vision and shape retrieval such as denoising, pairing, feature extraction, segmentation, simplification, classification and editing, the complex manipulation can be described precisely, compactly and measurably by the PDE. Another example, I can say you that the Lagrange multiplier method which we are going to study in our course is very much useful to optimize or maximize the function of neural network. Another application, almost all of machine learning and artificial intelligence are filled with example of differential equation. So there are so many such type of fields where you can have the application of differential equation. Hence it is necessary for you to learn the what is differential equation and what is in which method we can able to solve them. So let us start with the definition of the partial differential equation. What is partial differential equation? So I think almost you are familiar with the differential equation. So today we will start with partial differential equation. Partial differential equation. What is partial differential equation? The differential equation it must be a differential equation which involves more than one independent variables and any number of dependent variables is called partial differential equation. So the number of independent variable will be at least one, and the number of independent variable number of dependent variable may be one or more than one. Then that type of differential equation is called partial differential equation. Generally, partial differential equation in the short form we can write as PDE. So we can further, in place of partial differential equation, you can write PDE. So generally, if a differential equation is given, then we used to find the solution for the differential equation. But in our present topic, we will construct a differential equation for a given function. So what is partial differential equation? Already I told you. Now suppose let z equal to f of xy. What does it mean? Z equal to f of xy means z is a dependent variable which depends x and y. So x and y are independent variables. So if we consider z is a function of x and y, then dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x is nothing but partial derivative of the dependent variable z with respect to the independent variable x. Hereafter we can denote dou z by dou x as p. So why we say it is partial derivative? Although there are two independent variables, but we are differentiating that one with respect to one independent variable. So we are getting the partial derivative of z. So let us denote this one as p. Dou z by dou x is partial derivative of x with respect z with respect to x, and we will denote hereafter dou z by dou x equal to p. Similarly, dou z by dou y, the partial derivative of the dependent variable z with respect to y, we can denote it as q. If I say dou square z by dou x dou y, this is partial derivative of z with respect to y first, and then partial derivative of the resultant with respect to x. So 2 times derivative of z with respect to x as well as y. So we can denote sometimes we can write dou square z by dou y dou x also. If the function z is continuous, then these two will be equal, and we denote them as s. Similarly, dou square z by dou x square. If I differentiate the dependent variable z with respect to x twice, then I can have dou square z by dou x square, and which can be denoted as r. Similarly, dou square z by dou y square, the second order derivative of the dependent variable z with respect to y, can be denoted as t. So hereafter we can write dou z by dou x as p, dou z by dou y equal to q, dou square z by dou x dou y is s, and dou square z by dou x square equal to r, dou square z by dou y square equal to t. So these are the notation for the partial differential equation. So these are the partial derivatives. Now my question is, what is partial differential equation? It must be an equation. So if I say dou z by dou x plus, for example, dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y equal to 0. So dou z by dou x is a partial derivative, dou z by dou y is a partial derivative of the dependent variable z. Then if I equate that one into that one equal to 0, then it is an equation and it contains the partial derivatives. So I can say this is a partial differential equation. Similarly, dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square equal to 0. This is an equation, and this equation contains the partial derivative of z with respect to x as well as with respect to y. So it is an example of partial derivative differential equation. So like this we can define the partial differential equation. Now what is the order and what is the degree of a partial differential equation? Remember, very important for your 1 mark question, multiple choice question. Now order, you see here the degree means power of the derivatives. Order means how many times we are differentiating the dependent variable with respect to x or with respect to y. So the highest order of the partial differential equation is called order of the differential equation. So the order of the PD is the highest order derivative present in the equation. For example, suppose we take dou z by dou x plus dou square z by dou y square equal to 0. Now this is also partial differential equation. This is also partial differential equation. So here you see derivative of z with respect to x is 1 time, but here derivative of z with respect to y is 2 times. So among them the highest order derivative is dou square z by dou y square. 2 times we have differentiated with respect to z. So the highest derivative is 2. Therefore order will be 2, because the highest order derivative present in this differential equation is 2. So order will be 2. Next, degree. How can we define the degree of a differential equation? The degree of the PDE is the power of its highest derivative occurring in it. What does it mean? If there are the highest order derivative in the PDE, we will consider the degree of the partial differential equation will be the degree of the highest order derivative. For example, what is the order and degree of the PDE dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y is equal to 1. So dou z by dou x, dou z by y, in both the terms we are differentiating z with respect to x only one time, and we are differentiating z with respect to y only one time. So highest order is 1, and you see in both the terms the degree is 1. So here we can say order is equal to 1 and degree is also 1. Again, if I say dou z by dou x whole square plus 2 into dou square z by dou x dou y plus dou z by dou y whole square equal to 0. Now you see dou z by dou x is only one time differentiation of z with respect to x. Dou z by dou y is only one time differentiation with respect to y. But here dou square z by dou x dou y is 2 times differentiation of z with respect to x and y. So what is the order here? The highest order derivative order will be 2, because dou square z dou x dou y is there. So order is 2. Now what will be the degree? In among these three terms, the highest order derivative is nothing but dou square z by dou x dou y. So here you don't think that the degree is 2. Here according to the definition, degree of the PD is the power of its highest derivative occurring in it. So this is the highest order derivative in this differential equation. So the order of the PD is nothing but degree of the PD is nothing but the power of the highest order derivative, that is degree is 1. Similarly, if I say dou square z by dou x square 3 by 2 is equal to dou z by dou x. Now if you are having the power as the rational number, power is the rational number, then first you rationalize that one as dou square z by dou x square, make square on both sides, so you will get dou z by dou x whole square. Now my question is, what is the highest order derivative present here? Dou square z by dou x square. And what is the power of that one? 3. Now dou z by dou x has power 2. So what is the order here? Highest order is 2. And what is the degree? The power of highest order derivative, that is 3. So degree will be 3. So like this we can determine the order and degree of a given PDE. Next, how can we form a PDE from the given function? So formation of PDE. Formation of PDE. Let f of x, y, z, a, b equal to 0. Let us consider this one as equation. So let f of x, y, z, a, b equal to 0 be a given function. Be a given function where z is the dependent variable, and x and y are independent variables. A, B are arbitrary constants. So let us consider equation 1, which is of the form f of x, y, z, a, b equal to 0. Any equation which contains one dependent variable z and two independent variable x, y and two arbitrary constant a, b. Then in order to form a PDE from this function or this equation, we have two methods. So in order to form a PDE from equation 1, we have two methods. One is elimination of arbitrary constants, we can eliminate the constants a and b and we can form a PDE. And the second one is elimination of arbitrary functions. So we can eliminate the function f itself and we can form a PDE. So these are the two methods we will use to construct the PDE using equation 1. Here remember, whatever PDE we will construct, for that we can say f of x, y, z, a, b will be the primitive. So we will discuss one by one.